my channel once again. In this video, I'm going to talk about a speaking task of Duolingo English test, which is of 1 to 3 minutes. Now here we get 30 seconds to choose our question and prepare for our answer. We need to speak for 1 to 3 minutes, answer all the questions that has been asked, and we cannot use any writing material when we are doing this task. Along with that, we also need to keep an eye on the timer. And yes, of course, pronunciation should be very clear because it will definitely affect your marks. So here our task begins. Like as I mentioned earlier, we have 30 seconds to choose our question. So one topic we have to select. If we won't select within 30 seconds, the computer itself will select one for us and then we have to speak on that particular topic. Over here, I have selected topic 2. And I will be speaking on that. So here I go. I often love the stories that are based on real lives. But among all, I have a keen interest in reading great epics of our Indian culture. These includes Mahabharata, Ramayana, Shri Krishna and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Here I would like to speak about Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It is one of the holy books of our Hindu culture. It is about the narrative framework of dialogues between Pandava Prince Arjuna and his guide, Sri Lord Krishna. In this book, there are total 700 verses known as sloka in Hindu culture. In this book, the preachings of Lord Krishna is reality that a human should accept. This book is answer to questions like who we are, how we should live our lives, and how should we act in the world. In this book, when Arjuna hesitates to fight with his own relatives and was unwilling to hurt his family, Lord Krishna, being his guide, explains him the right towards his religion and removal of all the negativity. So, this book covers a broad range of spiritual topics touching upon ethical dilemma and philosophical issues that go far beyond the war Arjuna faces. Since this book, Lord Krishna is considered as first motivational speaker in human history. Now, here, the book itself is best, therefore, I do not think about making it better. So here my speaking ends. Now as you can see that 1 minute was over and that submit button popped up with orange color. So once you answer all the questions, you feel satisfied that you have satisfactorily answered all of them, you can submit your answer. So now I have few tips which you should remember when you are performing for such tasks. The very first thing is that you need to use vocabulary to increase your score. Don't rush on the topic, speak with clarity, and your voice pitch should be same throughout the task. So here I've end my video. I hope you find it informative.